It's a New Year's Eve and I'm feeling fine. Got my list of promises, yeah, I'm towing the line. But deep in my heart, I know what's true. Come February, I'll be back to the old me too. We're gonna hit the gym, 5 days a week. I'll be ripped like a model, with abs so sleek. But the couch is calling, and Netflix too. By the end of January, I'm through with you. Oh, I got the New Year's resolution blues. Promises so shiny, but they're hard to use. I'll be back to my habits, the ones I choose. Oh, these New Year's resolution blues. Swear I'll eat healthy, no more junk or fries. Just kale and quinoa, yeah, I'm telling lies. But that pizza staring, oh so divine. Guess I'll start tomorrow for the 100th time. I got the New Year's resolution blues. Trying to change, but it's hard to follow through. Every year I stumble, nothing new with these New Year's resolution blues. I said I'd quit my scrolling, put the phone away. But TikTok and cat videos got something to say. I promised to declutter, make my house pristine. But now I can't find the floor under this mountain of dreams. I told my friends this year I'll save some dough, but Amazon packages won't let me say no. Said I'd call my mama at least every week, but the voicemail's piling and she's getting peeved. Oh, I got the New Year's resolution blues. Every promise feels like deja vu. By the spring, now back in my old worn shoes.